In this video, I will show you how to activate and set up your subscription on Facebook. If you are a content creator on Facebook and you get subscription and don't know how to activate it, this video I'm going to be walking you through this step by step. I can activate your subscription and set it up properly. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any of this step. So let's dive straight into the video. To set up your subscription on your Facebook page, log into your Facebook page, then click on your dashboard. It will take you to this interface. You click on monetization. Then once you take you to this interface, scroll down so you see ready to set. If they have given you the subscription, so you are going to see ready to set, then you're going to see the subscription. So what you simply need to do is just to click on activate. Once you click on activate, it will bring you to this interface, set up payout for subscription. For Nigeria, I can see that it's showing naira already. The lowest you can set is 315 naira. This is a recommended amount, 315 naira. You can decide to change it. If you want to change it, you click on it, then you can select any amount that you want to use. So we have 350, which is the lowest. So I have 750, 900, 1000, 1836, depend on the want people to do, and you can always change it. These are some of the offer that you can give to people. Select the benefit that your subscribers will receive, so you can select any benefit that they will receive. So let's say we want to set up the one of the 350. Once you select that one, you click on update. Then once it brings you to this interface, then you click on sign up. So you hold on for some time for then to accept. So it has been set up now, and people can start subscribing to have access to some exclusive content on your page. If you click on this, it will bring you to this interface. Your subscription is active. Your fans can start subscribing today. So if you want to get your link, you click on promotional link. If you click on promotional link, here you can get your subscription link. You copy it, and then you can add a message to it and pin it to your post so that people can subscribe directly on your post. So this is how to activate your subscription. So this is how to set up your subscription on Facebook and start making money from people that will subscribe through your subscription. If you got value from this video, do not to like this video, share this video, and follow me for more tips like this.